umoya wami uyavuma, umoya wami uyavuma, umoya wami uyavuma, kulento siyenzayo, asilalo, kulento siyenzayo, asilalo, asilalo phalo, kulento siyenzayo, asilalo, asilalo phalo, kulento siyenzayo, umoya uyavuma, umoya wami uyavuma, umoya wami uyavuma, kulento siyenzayo, umoya wami uyavuma, umoya wami uyavuma, umoya wami uyavuma, kulento siyenzayo. Comrades, we have asked the representative, Babu Shumba, representative of the embassy here of Zimbabwe in South Africa, to he has signed. We need him to openly on record acknowledge receipt of this memorandum and tell us what he's going to do with this memorandum to ensure that this memorandum gets audience and attention of the Zimbabwean authorities. Bob.
Yes, we acknowledge the receipt of the memorandum, and it will be delivered to the final destination.
Can you speak a bit up?
What's the final destination?
Just speak up and just say
What's the final destination?
Right, please. Yes, comrades, he's going to speak now. He was still looking for weight. Let's not rush. Let's not rush. Problem. Maybe there was a misunderstanding. We don't want to live here with English. We want to understand what he's going to do. Not final destination. Well, please, can you just speak up a bit, just explain where this memorandum is going to be taken and what we should expect from it.
No,
if you speak up a bit so that they can hear you.
I'm saying the memorandum, we are going to go through it, see where it's supposed to go. Then we will deliver it where it's supposed to go.
This memorandum is a memorandum which is directed at Zimbabwean government. So you don't need to research. Okay. It's a memorandum that is directed at the regime of President Munakwanga. So can you confirm that you will help us to ensure that this memorandum and grievances do reach the office in Zimbabwe?
The embassy will send the memorandum to the government of Zimbabwe.
Thank you.
Comrades, you could see the dictatorship and fear that we're talking about in Zimbabwe. Even the commissioner here doesn't want to commit openly that he will at least send them this memorandum. This is exactly what's happening in Zimbabwe. But Baba, let us thank him and understand that he is a messenger of the embassy.